Hi, good days to everyone. My name is Jim, founder of JT Techconnect Sdn Bhd. We are the design manufacturing house for LED display panels. In front of us, this is the queue management display system, where you can see we have 2 units of 3-row display and 9 service keypads. Let's start our demonstration today. This is a 4 service keypad. So we have A 1037 and we have B 2027 and we have C 3021 and we have D 4022. So for this setting, for counter 1 and counter 2, we serve A service. So let's press next. 1021. So press next again for 1022. In case counter 1 want to call back the same number, you just need to press call 1021. For this setting, counter 3 and counter 4 is serve service B. So let's press next. 2011 and press next again. 2012. For counter 5, 6 and 7 is serve service C. So let's press next. 3013. Press next. 3014. Of course, this is next. 3015. And for the last service, service D, served by the counter 8 and 9. So let's try. Press next. 4011 and 4012. In case counter 8 want to call back the same number, you can press again call. This is how it looks like. Thank you for watching.